Hey fellas, this is Frank. Over here's Tommy. What we're doing is we're getting Luann ready for her new home. And you know, I talk on the radio show all the time about, and on Facebook about, whenever I say charcoal is salt and pepper colored. I'm going to show you here real quick what I'm talking about, because I've got a perfect scenario. We're actually firing her up, doing it. We did some modifications to the pit just to you know, make it run a little bit better for the new owners. And anyway, we're doing a test fire just to show, just to prove our mods work before they get here. LOL. Right? Well, here, I'll show you what all we did. You ready? You want to see that? I can't flip the camera around, no. So, of course, you know, she's always had squared off doors like this here, but we kind of tuned up the doors a little bit. And then these little signs right here, if you look at the hog coffin, ironically, they're taking the hog coffin home too, and see the pigs going to heaven. That's why we call it the hog coffin. Anyway, so we made this little sign plate here that's got the pigs in it to kind of make it tie in with the other cooker. And then we're putting this nice little sign on each side of it there. Is it hot?
It's warm.
Putting that nice little sign on each side of it there, you know. And we put these steps, you know, Tom and I never had no trouble reaching in there or whatever, but some people it's a bit of a reach to get all the way to the back, open the door up. And so anyway, you know, when you look inside there, that's about 40 inches deep up in there. You know, we can kind of get it. We don't have no trouble, but we decided to put these steps on there. Now you can reach all the way back, easy. And this thing's going to be used to feed homeless and all kinds of stuff by an organization called One Spark, and they're actually on their way here to get it. We're really excited for them. And but anyway, here, let me show you. The whole reason I started this video was to show you what salt and pepper color means. When I fire these pits up, that's what I'm talking about. You see? And notice on this pit, if you can kind of get a better picture here, if you can kind of look, I've got this area around it. This is a 4-foot firebox, and you know, I've got my air coming in under the coal bed. This is the log rack, and I've got this whole area baffled off all the way around to force this air to where it has to go through that coal bed there. And then this is a traditional offset. I hope you've seen all that. I'm gonna open this door, Tom. This is a traditional offset. So when you look in there, you'll see we've got this throat opening, throwing all the products of combustion straight up. And usually it was hitting the top of the cook chamber, so we put this little baffle in here just to kind of throw more direct at this end of the pit. And what we wind up with is more of an S pattern in our airflow in the cooker there. So anyway, hope you guys are cooking something today. If you haven't got your free smoker plan yet, by God, get over there and get it. www.smokerplans.com. Hurry up and get them before we shut it off. We only got so many left. See ya.